Okay, so now we've looked at what a catalogue is. Now let's look at, well, how we make them and how we use them. Now here we can see that Lightroom is open with some of my personal images. And if you look up here to the left, you can see the catalogue name here is Lightroom 5 Catalogue. Now this is the catalogue that contains all the information regarding to my personal files. Okay, now let's imagine I have a project and I don't want to have the problem of identifying a set of new images from my personal ones. Now for this, I could use a catalogue, a new catalogue, and this will separate them. So I'm going to go up to the File menu and I'm going to select New Catalogue. Now this is where you decide where you want the new catalogue folder to go. Now for this demo, I'm going to put it on the desktop. So I'm going to select desktop and it's already selected up there. And I'll give it a name. So down there in the file name box, I'm going to call it Demo Cat. And then I'll click Save. It'll ask me if I want to do a load of backing up, which at the moment I don't. So I'm just going to click Skip this time. Now Lightroom will close and then it'll reopen with a brand new empty catalogue. So there we have it, Lightroom's opened up again with a new catalogue. And again, if you look up at the top here, it's now working with the catalogue Demo Cat, which is what I've just produced. Now let's just minimize Lightroom for a second and have a look. And we can see here on the desktop now, I've got a folder called Demo Cat, which is what we've just created, which is the new catalogue folder. Now let's have a look in it. We'll double click just to have a look in it. And here you can see that we've got 4 items. Now we've got the LRCat lock file and the LRCat journal file. These are files that are created basically as organisational things by Lightroom. We don't have to worry about them. We've got Demo Cat, and this is the file where all the information, the catalogue information, this is the actual catalogue file. This is where all the catalogue information is going to go. And then we've got Demo Cat previews, and this is where all the preview files that are created when you're importing, that's where they'll all be put. Let's bring Lightroom back. So now I can go through the import process and bring in all my new images into this brand new catalogue file. But what happens if I want to go back to my original file or another catalogue? Well, we can switch between catalogues. And to do that, I can go up here to the File menu, but this time I'm going to select Open Catalogue. And now I need to navigate to where my catalogue is. Well, I know that where my personal catalogue is down, it's in the Pictures folder. So I'm going to click on there, and here I can see that's my Lightroom personal catalogue. So I'm going to double click on that, and then the catalogue file is here, that Lightroom 5 catalogue. So I'm going to click once on that and then click Open. And then Lightroom's going to ask me, do you want to relaunch with the new catalogue? Well, yeah, that's the object of the exercise. So I'm going to click Relaunch. And now Lightroom will close and then it will reopen again with all my personal files. And if we go up and look at the top left again, you can see I've got my Lightroom catalogue again, my Lightroom 5 catalogue, the LRCat file. Okay, well that's all there is to creating and using multiple catalogues to efficiently manage your images.